when a thread's required in a sheet metal component, we have a couple of options what we can do. Firstly is your traditional, we can punch or laser profile cut a hex hole and that you can insert the nutsert into. But we do have another option with our combination punch laser. What we can do is we can extrude or we can just tap a hole into the plate. So if you want an extruded thread, it's a three-part process, whereas we will punch a hole, then we'll extrude a section, and then we'll form a thread into it. So what you end up with is a high quality threaded hole that's suitable for whatever required screw pitch, because if, for example, you are doing M6 into a 3mm, you only have like a 1mm pitch, so you need an extrusion for a suitable quality thread. So that's an option we have for you.